This is anterior and posterior innominate rotation mobilizations. All right, so patient is in side lying, so I'm going to do his right innominate. So if I want to do a posterior mobilization, I'm going to have one hand find PSIS, other hand is going to find ASIS, and I'm taking my forearm, kind of pulling it down posteriorly while providing a little bit of a push on the ASIS to get that little posterior rotation. Now I can pull and just hold. I can pull and mobilize. I can pull on and off, whatever you kind of feel works best. If I wanted to go anterior, all right, I'm gonna do same thing, except my right hand's gonna switch direction of force. So instead of ASIS going this way, I'm gonna be pushing down this way. So I'm gonna be here, all right, and I'm gonna be pushing the opposite direction to get that anterior rotation of the innominate. Same thing, I can do mobilize, I can do quick here, I can do holds, whatever works best for you, whatever works best for your patient.